welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how I created this beautiful cut crease makeup look, and honestly I was inspired by the colors on my top. Today I'm wearing this Leopard Print turtleneck top. I got this from Zaful, so if you want to watch my Zaful haul, I'm going to link it right here. So yeah, as I said, I was inspired by these beautiful colors and I wanted to use earth tones colors like nude, browns, warm brown, bronzed, golds, you know, earth tone colors. And honestly I love how these colors look all put together. Wow, beautiful. And yeah, I really like the finished result. Oh my god, I feel like I'm talking way too much. Anyway, if you want to see how I created this gorgeous beautiful makeup look, then keep on watching. But first I'm going to shout out the subscriber of the day, and she's Olivia. She has a YouTube channel, so if you want to subscribe to her channel, well, why not? So Olivia, thank you so much for being always there in the comment section, and thank you for your support. Thank you, honestly. So yeah, if you want to see how I achieved this makeup look, then keep on watching. Okay, so as you can see with the eyeshadow, I'm trying to create like a wing liner with the eyeshadow, if that makes sense, as I did on this eye. So I'm dragging the eyeshadow a little bit upwards, closer to the end of my brow. I hope that makes sense. My ears hurt. These earrings are so heavy and I don't usually wear earrings. My goal for this year is to wear more earrings, or to wear more often earrings. Oh, it hurts, but you know, beauty hurts too. I'm sorry, but I need music. I cannot be creative without music. That's how I function, I guess. The last time I used this eyeshadow, it didn't really work for me, but today I took it more slowly and yeah, doesn't look bad. I'm going back with the gold shade. Okay, next I'm going to take this makeup look to the next level, and I'm going to do that gold, coppery gold line. I'm going to use the ColourPop Jelly Matte Shadow, but first I'm going to use the glitter primer because I feel like this works better with a glitter primer. I don't know, but last time I used this Jelly Matte Shadow, I had so much fallout, and that was so annoying. By the way, this is in the shade Foxes, and I'm going to use whatever I have on the stopper, this little thing. I'm going to use what I have here. Next I'm taking this makeup remover, and I'm going to clean this part right here, and then I'm going to do the exact same thing on this eye. So that's that, but first I'm going to clean this. And again, first I'm going to apply the glitter primer. Okay, so it's like 98% or 95%. Impossible to make both eyes to look exactly the same, like identical. They are very similar, but I see some differences. Yeah, it's impossible, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, they do pretty much look the same. I do see a slightly difference, like right here. This is a little bit more curved. This is a little bit more straight. Also, my eyes fold different. I don't know if you notice this, but I have one eye that is a little bit more hooded, if that makes sense. I think it's this eye. So this eye is a little bit more hooded. The skin folds a little bit more deep, if that makes sense. I don't know how to explain that, but we are not perfect. We are humans. So my point here is that my eyes are different, like they fold different. Yeah, so they cannot be identical. From far they look very similar, like very similar. Anyway, I'm going to do my face makeup, and I'm going to be right back to do the bottom lash line and to highlight my brow bone. On my bottom lash line, I'm going to start with this dark shade from the ColourPop and Kathleen Lights palette, and I'm going to apply this right where my lashes are. Next, I'm taking the Noontide eyeshadow, and I'm going to blend that. And next I'm going to go with the Pop Makeup loose eyeshadow, and I'm going to take whatever I have on the cap. I'm going to apply it right here and blend it with the other shades. Going back with a little bit more of this Noontide. And to highlight my brow bone, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild highlighter. This is absolutely gorgeous. I know that I said this a million times, but I really mean it. This is so beautiful. And I think I'm going to apply this in my inner corners as well, just a little bit. First I'm going to start with bronzer, and I'm going to use my butter bronzer. This smells delicious. I think I'm going to take off my earrings. This ear is so red. I don't know why. You see? Like, this is normal, but this is so red. Wow. For foundation today I use the NARS Radiance Longwear foundation, and for concealer I use the Too Faced Born This Way. I really like this combo. And to make my skin look a little bit more glowy, I'm going to use highlight, but I want to use the Milani Baked bronzer. This is in the shade Glow. And of course I'm going to use the Precious Petals from Wet n Wild and a little bit of this ColourPop and Kathleen Lights highlight. This is on the cusp. This combo right here is so beautiful, makes my skin look wet. Wow, this combo, bomb. First I'm going to go with the ColourPop one, and I'm going to apply this with my finger because this works better with the finger than with the brush. And barely I'm going to touch my skin with the finger, and as you can see it's so intense, but this blends so nicely. You will see that with the finger, blends so nicely with the finger. You see, now it's not that intense anymore. And to set the makeup, I'm going to use the Hyaluronic Fix from Makeup Revolution. Okay, so I just applied the lashes and mascara, and oh my god, this makeup look is so beautiful. Like, the colors are so beautiful. If you have brown eyes, this will look fantastic on you, because these earth tone colors will make your eye color pop even more. I do have green hazel eyes, kinda. I don't even know exactly. That's amazing. And it's not that the colors doesn't complement my eye color, but they like, yeah, they don't blend that well, you know what I'm saying? So if you have dark brown or even black eyes, wow. And on my lips, I really want to use the Ofra and Kathleen Lights. Oh my god, a lot of Kathleen Lights collaboration I used today on my face. So yeah, I really want to use the Ofra and Kathleen Lights lipstick. This is in the shade Miami Fever. Okay, so I'm going to try to make this work without the lip liner. And wish me luck. Oh. Wow, this smells so good. I think this will work. This feels so lightweight. Feels so nice. Alright guys, and this is the finished look. I really love all these colors together. As I said, if you have brown eyes or black eyes, these colors will look so beautiful on your eyes. And as I said, the lipstick is a little bit too dark for my liking, like with this eye makeup. But I feel like the colors complement and they look like they are from the same family, if that makes sense. And the lipstick feels so nice. It feels a little bit tacky, as you see. Feels a little bit sticky, tacky. I guess it's not completely dry, maybe, I don't know. But yeah, I think that's it. Let me know down below what do you think, because I really like when you guys tell me, oh, I don't like this makeup, oh, this is gorgeous, oh, this came out nicely, you know. I like your opinion, I like to read your opinion, honestly. So let me know down below, what do you think about this makeup look? I look so bossy right now, I wish. And I guess that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. I'm just wow. Wow, I'm so bad at doing this. Yeah. Gold, bronze, gold, golden bronze, bronze, you know, like earth tones. Wow, I'm so bad.